Hi everybody and welcome back to the Celtic Crocheter. Today we are going to learn the popcorn stitch, one of the most satisfying stitches for adding bold, bouncy texture. You'll love how it looks in blankets, scarves and cozy winter projects. Okay, so what you're going to do to start with is you're going to start with doing your foundation chain. I did a chain of 14 here. That includes your one turning chain. Then you're going to work one row of single crochets, and then you're going to start your popcorn stitch. As you see, I've already worked up 2 rows and I've already worked the next row of single crochets. So we're going to go straight into our popcorn stitch. Okay, so when you're ready, we're going to start with a stacked double crochet. And then we are going to put 5 double crochets into this stitch here. So it's the second chain stitch from the start. Okay, now you're going to pull up this loop enough that you can pop your finger in there to hold the stitch so you don't lose it. You're going to come back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make sure you don't grab the first double crochet. You're going to put your hook in underneath that one. Then you're going to put it back into the loop on your finger and you're going to pull that loop back through like a slip stitch. And then we're going to chain 1. And that is your first popcorn done. So now in the next stitch, we're going to put a double crochet. And then we're going to do 5 double crochets in here again to make another popcorn. Okay, we're going to take our hook out. We're going to come back here. Make sure you don't pick up the double crochet that's in between your popcorns. Now insert your hook underneath these 2 loops. Then pick up the loop off of your finger and pull that back through. And then chain 1. Okay, one more time. Double crochet into the next stitch. And then 5 double crochets into this one. And then after that, what you're going to do is you're going to do a double crochet, 5 your popcorn stitch, double crochet, popcorn, 1 double crochet, your popcorn, and then in the very last stitch you will do another double crochet. And there you have it. You have just completed your popcorn stitch. So if you've enjoyed this tutorial today, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for weekly crochet lessons every weekend. Don't forget to tag your projects with #TheCelticCrocheter so I can see your creations. See you next time and happy crocheting!